Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make a crochet pencil keychain, and you can also add the gift tags. There's a link down below for that. I used an e-hook medium worsted yarn. This is perfect for a teacher, or you can just make it without the keychain or with the keychain. It's up to you. You'll also need some eyes and some stuffing. If anything is too fast in this video, I do have a slow motion video down below that you can learn how to place your video in slow motion. If you're a beginner and you need more help with beginner stitches, I have a playlist on how to do that. It will guide you step by step. And if you'd like to make this bigger or smaller, you can go up or down on the hook size. This is right around 4.5 inches, but if you want to make it smaller or bigger, just adjust your hook. Okay, so let's get started.
To get started, you're going to go into the magic circle, slip stitch into it. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, I have a link down below on how to do that. So grab your yarn over, pull through the 2 loops for a single crochet. Once you have all 6, you're going to pull it closed, and the first round you can slip stitch. I like to work in continual rounds, it's up to you. Then in each stitch around you're going to work 2 single crochet for a total of 12. So 2 in each stitch until you get to the beginning. And the next round you're going to work 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet, and repeat that until you get to the beginning. So 1 and then 2, and you're increasing each round by 6. For this it will be your last increased round. Work that until you get to the beginning and the stitch marker. Now you're going to work in continual rounds for the next 4 rounds of just single crochet, no increases. So just keep going for a total of 4 rounds. Now you're going to do a color change. I like to slip stitch through so it keeps it even, and then pull my color through that I'm going to change.
And then single crochet in each stitch around.
And I like to slip stitch into the next stitch when I stop this round, and then go ahead and then
Single crochet around.
You're only doing 2 rounds of gray. And then to end this round, I'm going to slip stitch and then add the yellow.
And then single crochet in each stitch around. Make sure you have a total of 18, and it's for 10 rounds.
So single crochet, no increases, single crochet around till you get to the beginning. And then I'm going to end with a slip stitch, single crochet in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. I'm going to work in continual rounds. I'm not going to worry about a slip stitch because it's the same color. I'm not joining any more colors. This is for 10 rounds, but around the 6th round, I'm going to add the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch to change colors. And to slip stitch, you're going to pull your brown through, and then you're going to single crochet, and then work 2 single crochet together. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then single crochet in the next. This will give you 12 stitches if you counted your stitches right. You can also do an invisible 2 single crochet if you want to. It hides it a little bit better. Work that until you get to the beginning. Okay, about the 5th to 6th row down, I'm going to add these eyes. I got them from Amazon. I believe these are the 10 MMs or the 9 ones. I have so many, it's hard to know. And then I'm going to place them side by side, about an inch apart. Then I have my little stopper and I add that. You can also start stuffing your pencil with stuffing. Now you can add a smiley face. Just take your yarn and needle and sew one on. You can make it look like this, and then you can tie this and weave your ends in the inside if you'd like with your yarn needle to keep it secured. And now you're going to slip stitch.
Now single crochet around. Now work a single crochet and 2 single crochet together, decrease.
Until you get to the beginning. This will give you 6 stitches after this. Now you're going to make sure you have enough stuffing and slip stitch and pull your black through and stuff your pencil as much as you can. For the next 2 rounds, you're just going to work single crochets, which is 6 for each round. Make sure you have your count right and do that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to slip stitch and single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 6 stitches until you get to the beginning. Now you're at the end of the pencil and you're going to work 2 single crochet together and then single crochet and then slip stitch. Slip stitch twice if you need to, and you can fasten off. You don't want to complete it because it gives you more of a point to just do it with those 2 single crochet and then single crochet. So you'll have 3 stitches kind of unworked, but you slip stitched into 2 of them, or you can just slip stitch into both of them. Then you can take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. So you're going to take your yarn needle and weave in your ends to secure your stitches. And you're going to want to keep that point as best as you can to make it look like the end of a pencil.
If you want to add a keychain on top, all you need to do is take the loop of the keychain and just thread it through with one of your stitches on top. Really easy to do. And then it's complete. The keychain is optional. If you haven't already, please subscribe and come back for more videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet pencil tutorial.